I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and backups. Power down and unplug the PC, then ground yourself with an anti-static strap so you won't damage components. Once done, remove the side panel and visually locate the 5 bay or M2 slot. Prepare required tools: screwdriver, SATA or M2 screw, and adapter if replacing a different form factor. Make sure bootable recovery media is within reach. You'll need it after hardware swap. You now mount the replacement drive. For a 2.5 SATA SSD, slide it into the bay and attach the SATA and power cables firmly to their ports. For an M2, remove the tiny standoff screw, insert the module at a 20-30 degrees angle, then press down and secure it with the screw. After installation, reconnect power and boot into BIOS/UEFI to confirm the system sees the drive. If it's visible, you're ready to move on. If not, recheck cables and seating. You finish by installing the operating system or restoring a cloned image, making sure to set the new SSD as the primary boot device in BIOS. Once the OS is installed, initialize and format any additional partitions in disk management. Reassemble the case, reconnect peripherals, and run a quick performance or health check. If the drive isn't detected, reset connectors, try a different SATA port or M2 slot, update BIOS/firmware, and if necessary, test the SSD in another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.